After startup, enter the HMI. Different operation pages are in the top right corner. Generator control allows for individual adjustment of a single generator. Group control can adjust a whole sink or cabinet of generators at once. Group settings allow you to define custom generator working groups and control all generators with one key. The information interface includes device and company information. In system settings, administrators can enter a password to enter the backend and set relevant parameters. Select Group Control. You can see 8 small squares below. The green square in the top left shows the whole cabinet control. Cabinet priority and sink priority are shown below. You can see the current operating current of the cabinet generators. Other squares display information for different cleaning sinks. There is a power meter below each small square. To change the power individually, or start or pause the generator, click Cabinet Priority. To adjust the cleaning power of the entire cabinet at once, click Sink Priority. To individually adjust the cleaning power of each sink. For example, to reduce the cabinet power to 99, simply click the minus sign once. Click the plus sign to return to 100. You can also click the power meter under cabinet priority. Enter 80 on the pop-up numeric keypad, then press OK. The cabinet power will then change to 80. The current will also change to 2.4A. The method is the same if you only want to adjust the power of wax removal sink 1. It is the same process. To change the cleaning type, simply click M1 to change it to M2. The cleaning type will change immediately. To stop the entire cabinet of generators, simply click the power symbol on the cabinet control. All generators in the cabinet will stop working. Finally, when modifying cabinet control parameters, control authority will be based on cabinet priority. Finally, when modifying sink control parameters, control authority will be based on sinking priority. Select Generator Control. You can see 8 small squares below, controlling the corresponding numbered generators. You can see the current operating current of the generator, frequency, and power. There is a power meter below each small square. To change power individually or start, pause the generator. Click the bottom to switch pages. Select Group Settings. You can see individual parameter settings and centralized group settings. In Generator Parameter Settings, you can see Index, Generator Name, Group, and Display. Index indicates the ID number of each generator. Generator names can be modified based on your needs. Group represents the sink number. Display refers to whether the screen is shown on the display. For example, change the group of indices 12422. Use the same method for the other 3. Change sink to power to 80 in the group control panel. The power of the linked generators 1 to 4 will then also change to 80. Note, the settings here are unrelated to generator control. If you want to control a single generator individually, you can select Generator Control. If you want the generator not to be displayed, click Yes in the display column to change it to No. Then the generator will not be shown in the generator control interface. Return to Group Settings. In Group Parameter Settings, you can see Index, Sink Name, and Display. It works on the same principle. Index indicates the ID number of each sink. Sink names can be modified based on your needs. Display refers to whether the screen is shown on the display. If you want a specific sink not to be displayed, click Yes in the display column to change it to No. Then the corresponding screen will not be shown in Group Control. Select Information Interface. You can see device information and company information. In the Company Information Interface, the QR code on the right is the Equipment Operation Guide. Scan the code to watch for detailed information. In the Device Information Interface, you can see relevant generator information. Select System Settings. Enter the administrator password. You can modify sink names and generator names inside. For example, Change the name of Sink 1 to Pre-Treatment Sink. Simply click once. Enter Pinyin on the pop-up keyboard. You can toggle between Chinese and English modes here. Click information in the bottom left to modify the number of generators. Here we will use animation to demonstrate for everyone. Each vibration plate corresponds to one main unit. You can see 10 vibration plates arranged in sequence in the water tank above. In individual control, if you want to control hosts 8, 9, and 10 individually, simply click the button for the corresponding number, and it will start working. In centralized control, click Full Cabinet Priority. Then all the hosts in the cabinet will start working. Click Sink Priority. You can individually adjust a specific sink to start working. The explanation is complete. Thank you for watching.